Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are fine. I am here with another informative video. In this lecture, we will discuss the pattern of letter, and there are different styles to write the main structure. But here is the best one. In the first line, you have to write the examination hall, comma, city ABC, then date, and the person you are writing letter to. But there are some points to remember. एग्जामिनेशन हॉल के बाद कोमा लगाना मस्ट है। उसके बाद फिर सिटी ABC में भी ए के बाद भी डॉट, बी के बाद भी फुल स्टॉप और सी के बाद भी फुल स्टॉप। ये हर जगह पे फुल स्टॉप लगाना ज़रूरी है। उसके बाद हमने डेट मेंशन करनी है। अब डेट मेंशन करने के डिफरेंट तरीके हैं, लेकिन जो मैंने यहाँ आपको शो हो रहा है अगस्त 2023, ये बेहतरीन तरीका है। अगर तो आप डेट पहले लिखते हैं लाइक 20 अगस्त 2023, तो फिर ऐसे नहीं होगा। फिर वो 20th यानी 20 ऊपर हम छोटा सा TH लिखेंगे, फिर हम मंथ मेंशन करेंगे अगस्त, देन कोमा, देन ईयर 2023 या अब नाउ इट इज़ 2025, तो 2025 एंड उसके बाद फुल स्टॉप। लेकिन बेहतर यही है कि आप इसको पहले मंथ मेंशन करें, देन आप डेट लिखें, देन कोमा, देन ईयर, देन फुल स्टॉप। दिस इज़ द बेस्ट वे। देन डियर फ्रेंड में भी D कैपिटल एंड फ्रेंड का F कैपिटल। इसमें भी लिखने के तरीके हैं कि माय डियर फ्रेंड, फिर उसमें भी थोड़ी कॉम्प्लिकेशन आ जाती हैं। तो इसलिए बेहतर यही है कि आप एक ही मेथड अपने जहन में रखें, ताकि आपको कोई पेपर में डबल माइंड ना हो और वही पैटर्न आप लेकर चलें। उसके बाद अब लेटर आगे हमने फ्रेंड को लिख रहे हैं अबाउट डेथ कंडोलेंस ऑफ आवर मदर। ओके, नाउ वी रीड द लेटर। I have just received the sad news of your mother's death. I am greatly shocked to hear this heart-rending news. What a misfortune you have suffered. I know how futile and fruitless would be my words of consolation at this time of bereavement and grief so overwhelming. Man is helpless before the will of Allah. You know, death is not the end of life, it is rather the beginning of eternal life. We should do such deeds that may be a source of comfort to her. We begin to die as soon as we are born, and the end is linked to the beginning. Your mother was so kind and so noble. Everybody has a great respect for her. She was very pious and God-fearing. She was very kind and hospitable to me. She loved me as her own daughter. I also love her like my own mother. It is also a personal loss to me, but the truth is, life is a journey from Allah to Allah. Mothers are real blessing. Tender motherly love is no less than a heavenly gift. There is no substitution of maternal affection. No doubt your loss is irreparable, but try to bear it bravely. The laws of nature are absolute. You know, in this world of transience, everything with no exception of man is short-lived and fleeting. Here the meaning of transience is napaidar and the fleeting is chandroza. We must reconcile ourselves to God's will. None can avert the decree of fate. Paradoxically, man dies to become immortal. He bears the pang of death to relish the bliss of heaven. Here the meaning of pang is dard. The Holy Quran says, every soul will taste death. My heart goes out to you in sympathy. You have now great responsibilities on your shoulders. Be brave and get over the pain of this bereavement. Please console your younger brother and sister. They badly need your love and affection. You should console yourself with the cherished memory of the loved and lost. All the Muslims believe we are for Allah and truly to Him we will return. Please accept my condolences at this moment of grief. Convey my condolences to your father also. I pray to God to give you courage to bear this calamity and receive the departed soul in heaven. Time is a great healer. You will recover from this loss soon. These days I am in hostel. Soon I would come to you to offer my condolences. Yours sincerely, XYZ. Don't forget to mention comma after yours sincerely. And there is no apostrophe comma in yours. It's simply YOURS. There is no apostrophe comma. This is all for today. Inshallah we will meet in next video.